Hi, I'm Dr. Dellaria at the Holistic Health Center here. We're going to show you a chiropractic adjustment today. So we have Trish here. This is the instrument that we use to adjust the spine. This lightly adjusts the bones back into their correct position through a series of impulses. So we locate the bones that are out of place first. Okay, so she has one there, one there, one there. So each joint should have a slight bit of play in it, a little bit of movement. And when the bones misalign, they don't move. We're going to adjust the bones. And then we recheck. Good. And then there's motion where there wasn't any motion before. So now these bones are back in their correct position, no longer putting pressure on the nerves. And that is an adjustment of the cervical spine of the neck using the chiropractic adjuster. Okay, now we're going to adjust the thoracic, lumbar spine, and the pelvis if it needs to be adjusted. Okay. Okay, so that was a chiropractic adjustment using the brimhall adjuster. I'm Dr. Dellaria, this is the Holistic Health Center, and thanks for tuning in.